seem as cheerful as a schoolboy playing hooky? Do I seem to gurgle like a baby with a cookie? If I do, the cause of it all is you. 'Cause you make me feel so young, and you make me feel so spring has sprung. And every time I see you grin, I'm such a happy individual. The moment that you speak, I wanna go play hide and seek. I wanna go and bounce the moon just like a toy balloon. You and I are just like a couple of tots running across a meadow, picking up lots of forget-me-nots. You make me feel so young, and you make me feel there are songs to be sung, bells to be rung, and a wonderful fling to be flung, And even when I'm old and gray, I'm gonna feel the way I do today. 'Cause you make me feel so young. You make me feel so young. You and I are just like a couple of tots running across a meadow, picking up lots of forget-me-nots. You make me feel so young, and you make me feel there are songs to be sung, bells to be rung, and a wonderful fling to be flung, And even when I'm old and gray, I'm gonna feel the way I do today. 'Cause you make me feel so, you make me feel so, you make me feel so, you make me feel so young. Now at last I found you, now my love, you're there. Radiance like the sunrise, loveliness so rare. Angel of my longing, answer to my prayer. I had to tell the whole wide world I found the perfect love from heaven above. And when I told them how beautiful you are, they didn't believe me, they didn't believe. Your lips, your eyes, your cheeks, your hair are in a class beyond compare. You're the loveliest girl that one could see, ever one could see. And when I tell them, and I'm certainly going to tell them, that I'm the man life someday you'll be. They'll never believe, they'll never believe me. That from this great big world you've chosen me, chosen me. Can it be? Oh, can it be? I'm your one. I'm your one. And when they see how beautiful you are, when they behold your radiance like the sun, shining like the sun, they'll never believe, never believe, no, they'll never believe that from a world of choices I'm your one, that from a world of choices